Hey guys, what's up? Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So I wanted to do this video for a lot of the jerky makers out there, okay? So this is gonna help you out a lot, guys. I always get this question, where can I have my jerky made? Where can I find a good USDA processor, okay? So I'm gonna tell you the secret on how to find a USDA processor. It's very simple, okay? So now, what you wanna do is get your favorite jerky in the store, find the best quality jerky you can find, everything that you're looking for in a beef jerky, tenderness, the flavors, and so on and so forth. So what I do is very frequently, I buy bags off the internet, I buy them in convenience stores, I buy them all over. But what you do, guys, is very simple. You find the jerky that you want, and the textures that you want, and you buy a bag, or just simply take a picture of the USDA number here, okay? So, and when you get this number, what you can do is go on the USDA website and actually do a search for this number, and it will actually show you the processor. Then you can contact those guys and see if they're taking on any new clients for them to make your jerky, okay, guys? So that's a little secret that I think everybody should know, especially small processors who want to put the jerky in stores. As you know, there's two different kinds of processing. Department of Agriculture is locally, you'll get inspected, and the USDA is if you're going to bring your jerky to market and you want USDA, then you're going to have an inspector in every time you process jerky. Now, some people don't want to go through that, but they want to get their jerky in stores, okay? So the next best thing is to have somebody make your jerky, and that's how you find the USDA processor that is suitable for you, okay, guys? So I hope you got something out of this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Keep us going here on the Fat Yankee Jerky channel. Like the video if you could, and I hope you like that little tidbit, little secret information, okay, guys? Thanks a lot. Look forward to the next video, my friends. Take care.